Apple cider vinegar is a versatile natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat a wide range of health and beauty issues. One of its many benefits is its ability to improve the health and appearance of your skin. In this video, we'll explore how apple cider vinegar can benefit your face care routine and offer some tips on how to use it effectively. Balancing pH levels. The pH level of your skin is an important factor in maintaining healthy skin. When the pH balance is off, it can lead to a variety of skin issues such as acne, dryness, and wrinkles. Apple cider vinegar can help to balance the pH level of your skin, which can improve its overall health and appearance. To use for pH balancing, simply mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water and apply it to your face with a cotton ball. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse off with water. Repeat this process once or twice a week. Fighting acne. Acne is a common skin condition that affects people of all ages. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help to fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. To use for acne, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water and apply it to your face with a cotton ball. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with water. Repeat this process once a day for best results. Exfoliating dead skin cells. Dead skin cells can accumulate on the surface of your skin, leading to a dull and uneven complexion. Apple cider vinegar can help to exfoliate these dead skin cells and reveal smoother, brighter skin. To use as an exfoliant, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water and apply it to your face with a cotton ball. Gently massage your skin in circular motions for a few minutes, then rinse off with water. Repeat this process once or twice a week. Hydrating and nourishing skin. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to help hydrate and nourish the skin. It can also help to regulate the production of sebum, which can prevent oily skin and breakouts. To use as a skin hydrator, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 4 parts water and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse off with water. Repeat this process once or twice a week. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile natural remedy that can benefit your face care routine in many ways. It can help to balance the pH level of your skin, fight acne, exfoliate dead skin cells, and hydrate and nourish your skin. With regular use, apple cider vinegar can improve the health and appearance of your skin, leaving it looking radiant and beautiful. Consult your doctor if you have any underlying medical conditions. And if you want more apple cider vinegar information, you can read the description down below or watch this next video on the right.